Respiratory functions. Next, we have to discuss about. There are five primary functions of the respiratory system. The first one to exchange the oxygen and carbon dioxide gases between the atmosphere and the blood. Okay, this is called what? Breathing. Already we discussed in the introduction lesson. Atmosphere and the blood reaching the blood. The first respiration. First process, breathing process, then takes into the second process of cellular respiration, blood to tissue fluids, bloodல இருந்து oxygen gas எங்க போகும், tissue fluidsக்கு போகும். There are in two major parts of the internal and external respiration happening in the animal's body, in the human bodies also, to maintain the homeostatic regulation of the body pH. Homeostatic means already you learned in the homeostatic, to maintain the normal, to regulate normal level of the body internal temperature. Okay va? So to maintain homeostatic regulation of body pH, the time, breathing time, during the cellular respiration time, and to protect us from inhaled pathogens and pollutant. Some dust particles prevent to enter into the body, because the reason is a nasal cavity has the mucus secretions to prevent the dust particles in the air. So the protect us from inhaled pathogens. Pathogens means it's a harmful microorganisms. So protect us from inhaled pathogens and pollutants. To maintain the vocal cords for normal communications, this process is called vocalization. Vocal cord communications smooth நார்மலாக மெயின்டைன் பண்ணுறதுக்கும் ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குது ரெஸ்பிரேட்டரி ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸ். அண்ட் டு ரிமூவ் த ஹீட் ப்ரொடியூஸ் டூரிங் செல்லுலர் ரெஸ்பிரேஷன். ஸோ செல்லுலர் ரெஸ்பிரேஷன் நடக்கும்போது சம் ஹீட் வந்து ப்ரொடியூஸ் ஆகும். இஃப் இட் இஸ் நாட் enough the oxygen in the cells, more amount of high level of the carbon dioxide is in the cells, that time high amount of heat is produced. So this process to removed to helpful to the respiratory system functions. So how many primary functions takes place in the respiratory system parts? There are five. First one, exchanging process, external internal respiration. Second one, to regulate normal internal body pH. And third one, to prevent entry of the pathogen pollutant into the body. And fourth one, vocalization process, maintain the vocal cord. And fifth one, to remove the heat is main thing. There are five primary functions takes place and in the respiratory system, and helpful to the respiratory functions to maintain the vocal cord is very important. So we are going to see the chapter respiratory organs in various organisms, another one content. Different animals you have to see this diagram, different animals, listen it. So these different animals have the different respiratory organs for using exchange of gases depending upon their habitat and levels of organization. Levels of organization means what? Cellular level or tissue level or organ level, organ system level. So made up of they depend upon their levels of organization of their body, and their living places is also according to helpful to the respiratory organs. Helpful to respiratory organs exist in your body. The amount of dissolved oxygen is very low under in water. Amount of dissolved oxygen is very low in water to compared than that of the oxygen is in the air. Listen it, atmosphere விட வாட்டரில் ஆக்சிஜன் லெவல் கம்மியாக இருக்குன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. So the rate of breathing in aquatic organisms is much faster than land animals. Land animals விட aquatic organism வந்து respiratory organs rate of breathing is very fast. So this is the common information. Different ways of breathing. This is called what ma? Buck. So this respiratory organ, lungs region. Chicken, this also respiratory organ is lung. And fishes, gills is also used for the respiratory organ gills. Fish, caterpillar, and the external layer of the spiracles of the oval-shaped spiracles present in the epidermis layer used for the respiration. This is the sponges, tissue level sponges used for the skin for using respiration. So in animals like the sponges, coelentrates, flatworms, exchange of gases takes place through the body surface by the simple diffusion process. Simple diffusion process means exchanging through the skin, that is body surface. Earthworms use their moisturizing skin. Various insects have tracheal tubes. Insectsக்கு tracheal tubeனு ஒரு respiratory organ இருக்கும். Earthworm, they can use it in the skin by the process of a simple diffusion process, exchanging the gases. And the fishes, you have to see the fish presence of the gills region. The gills are used as respiratory organ. Most of the aquatic arthropod and mollusca is also present. Fishes மாதிரியே வந்து arthropod mollusca group of organism, gills is present used for the respiratory organs. And you see the among vertebrates fishes, vertebratesலேயும் நம்ம பார்த்தோம், ஃபிஷஸ்லேயும் பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா vertebrates means amphibia, frog எடுத்துக்கலாம். ஸோ அதுலேயும் வந்து they can use it for the gills as well as in the lungs region for using respiratory purposes, isn't it? And the fishes use gills for using the exchange of gases, used as a respiratory organ. Okay, amphibians, reptiles, birds, mammals, they can use lungs for using the respiration in the terrestrial area, land area. ஸோ வெல் வாஸ்குலரைஸ்டு லங்ஸ் ரீஜன் அப்படின்னா நல்லா வந்து வெல் டெவலப்டான லங்ஸ் ரீஜன் வந்து ப்ரெசண்ட்டாக இருக்குது அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஃப்ராக்ஸ் வந்து ஸ்பெண்ட் மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் தியர் டைம் இன் வாட்டரில் இருக்கும் அண்ட் ஆல்சோ யூஸ் தியர் மாய்ஸ்சர் ஸ்கின் ஃபார் ரெஸ்பிரேஷன். ஆக்சுவலி நீங்கள் லேர்ன் பண்ணியிருப்பீங்க 4th லெசனில் 3 types of respiration takes place in the frog. Because a frog has they can use it as if it is under the water, they can use it as a skin and the gills. If it is come out of the water, if it is in a land area, they can use a lungs region. And some moist is in wet condition இருக்கும்போது they can use it as a buccal cavity, buccal respiration. They can use it for commonly 3 types: buccal respiration and the cutaneous respiration and the pulmonary respiration. They can done in 3 types of respiration takes place. This is a mollusca group, snail. They can use it for the gills respiratory organ.